In 60 seconds, I'm going to show you one important tip in making your logo animation stand out. Apart from all the accompanying assets that makes logo animation looks great, such as backgrounds, sound effects, and all other interactions, one important tip to bear in mind when it comes to backgrounds: make sure to use this vector-based application to create your own background. In my own case, I'm using Illustrator to achieve what you now see that is animated in Adobe After Effects application program. In this particular project, I'm just trying to emulate a design software, like the name of the project is Big Mouse Studio. So I take my time to put out the icons, introduce all the icons of the notification area there, and I've introduced all the tool sets, just arranging them like so, and making sure everything is aligned properly to the center or to the left as the case may be. And then that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and watch out for more tutorials like this in 60 seconds.